Today's video we are going to talk powerful ways to speed up any computer without installing any third-party application. Please follow all the steps. And your computer will thanks to you when you did this. And also subscribe my channel for these kind of valuable videos. If you have faced slow browser issues or slow performance in browsers like Edge, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, go to Runbox and type inetcpl.cpl and click OK. Go to Connections. And go to LAN Settings. Check if there are any proxies there. If any proxies there, unclick it. And then click OK. Again, go to Runbox and type inetcpl.cpl as before. Then click OK and go to Advanced. Next click Restore Advanced Settings, and next click Reset.